You wake up in a tiny apartment. Barely enough room to stretch your arms without knocking something over. You look around, piles of laundry in the corner, dishes stacked like a Jenga tower, and a floor you haven't seen under the clutter in days. You sigh. You want to clean, but where do you even begin in such a small space? The truth is, most people think cleaning a tiny apartment is easy, less square footage, right? But in reality, it's way harder. Because in a small space, every mess is amplified. If you live in a tiny apartment or ever feel like you're drowning in clutter, hit like and subscribe to The Big Sweep, because these next few hacks will change your space and your mindset. Tiny spaces aren't just physically limiting, they're emotionally exhausting. When your bed, kitchen, and workspace are all within arm's reach, every mess becomes impossible to ignore. And let's be honest, a cluttered space leads to a cluttered mind. But what if I told you, cleaning a small apartment isn't about cleaning harder, it's about cleaning smarter? Hack 1. Clean vertically, not just horizontally. We're used to cleaning floors and countertops. But in a tiny space, look up. Use vertical storage like over-the-door racks, wall-mounted baskets, or magnetic spice strips. It declutters counters and keeps everything accessible. Think of your walls as bonus space, and cleaning them, dusting shelves, wiping tiles, makes your apartment feel instantly lighter. Hack 2. 15-minute micro-cleans. Feel overwhelmed? Set a timer for just 15 minutes. Focus on one zone, your desk, your sink, your closet. That's it. When the timer rings, stop. It builds momentum, reduces decision fatigue, and keeps you from burning out. One corner a day, it's a fully clean apartment in a week. Hack 3. The laundry basket trick. When guests are on the way, or you just want to reset, grab a laundry basket and sweep everything that's out of place into it. Clothes, chargers, bottles, books. Hide the basket. Breathe. Later, sort it. But for now, you've reclaimed your space. It's a reset button you can use anytime. Hack 4. Clean mirrors and windows first. You know what instantly brightens a small room? Light. And nothing reflects light better than clean glass. Use a microfiber cloth and vinegar solution to wipe windows and mirrors. The space feels fresher, bigger, and more peaceful before you've even touched the floor.
Hack 5. Under the bed equals prime storage and dust trap. It's the most underused and most neglected space in a small apartment. Use underbed bins for shoes, off-season clothes, or even kitchen appliances. But also, vacuum under there regularly. Dust builds up like fog, making the whole apartment feel stuffier.
Hack 6. The 1-minute rule for dishes. Here's the rule. If it takes less than a minute to clean, do it immediately. That plate, that mug, that one spoon, wash it now. Tiny sinks get overwhelmed fast. Keeping your sink clear keeps your apartment sane. These hacks aren't just about having a clean room. They're about taking control of your space, your stress, and your routine. In a world where we're already overstimulated, your tiny apartment should feel like a retreat, not a burden. If these hacks helped you reclaim your space, hit like, subscribe to the channel. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Please tell me, what's your favorite tiny apartment cleaning trick? Because when we live small, we have to think big.